know if you guys can hear me, but here is my dad's 1998 WS6 Formula. I'm gonna give y'all a quick walk around. This is kind of weird. Never had a GoPro mounted on my head before. But yeah, here's a quick POV. All right. Hope y'all enjoy. I'll give you a quick rundown of it while I'm driving. All right, so let me give y'all a quick rundown of the car. I guess it's history. This car has been in the family since 2001. It is now 2021, obviously. It has 228,000 miles. Still has original LS1 motor, original trans. My dad has slowly been working on it, like restoring it, because he recently just retired. Let's see. Obviously the dash has cracks. I mean, the car is literally used as a normal car. It doesn't just sit in the garage all day, every day. I had to drive it because if you watch all my previous other videos, my car is in the shop because of an oil leak. So I had no other choice. This is weird, my first time ever using a GoPro, so. For the most part, I'm just gonna be driving. It's gonna be just mainly highway driving. I can't let the windows down right now. The window motors are going out. Like I said, he is restoring the car slowly. Just give us some time with it. I know it's not perfect, but it's still a nice car. I'll give you guys a little acceleration video, or acceleration, but I'm not gonna do anything too crazy, because if I blow it up on the way to work, that's coming out of my pocket. And I've got other things I'm doing right now trying to grow this channel. If you guys like or will like this type of video, let me know. I have a lot of other cars that I could potentially get a point of view of, thanks to my nice friends. But yeah, I just thought I'll try something different here. Like a Chargers to the left of us. Once again, I'm not here to race anybody. I'm just here to cruise to work. I've broken enough things in my life. I've wrecked this car before. That's going to be on story time, a little series I'm creating just about cars and things. I need to invest in some more GoPros when the channel catches traction. Maybe do some outside point of views while having inside point of views. And this car's getting on the highway slow. Hurry up. Oh my gosh. Yep, a lot of things need to get fixed in this car. Window visors, or not window visor, but the sun visor. I mean, it's a lot of small things that need to be repaired. But what do you expect from a car that's what, 22, 23 years old, that was not just sitting in the garage all day, every day? It was actually daily, or still is kind of daily. Not as much since my dad retired. guys are not gonna catch much today because I'm like 20 minutes late to work because the GoPro's acting up. So it's probably about to be hella traffic on this ride to work. Purchased a computer yesterday that I have to get built by my friend that would help editing so much, because right now I do it on the phone and it can be a pain in the butt sometimes. Sure how the audio sounds, because once again I've never done this before. I was going to ride with the windows down, but like I said, the window motors, it will not let up, so I'm not sure if you guys can see the speedometer, but I'm cruising at about 75, 80 right now, nothing crazy. The only thing is, when I drive this car compared to mine, sometimes I'll look down and I'll be going 80, 85 without even noticing, because it just smooth and accelerates with ease, obviously. I'm not going to catch many open lanes to give y'all a little acceleration, so I know somebody in the comments is going to be like, that was boring. But hey, it is what it is. I maybe could give you a little something right here. That's about it. Because like I said, once again, this motor is not on its last leg, but it can be refreshing. Or even a new one can be placed in. DFW and wouldn't mind me getting some point of views of your car, just let me know. I'm always up for the content, seeing cars. I wonder how many people have looked at me like I'm crazy. Who knows? All right, time to get over. As you probably saw there are some parts in the back. Like I said, this is just slowly getting restored. It's not going to be anything fast or anything. My dad just wants it to be a cruiser. Now me, if it was mine, man, who knows? It's probably safe or better that he didn't give it to me. I wouldn't tear it up or anything, but it definitely wouldn't just be the stock motor. Maybe a simple Pro Charger or something, or even turbo, but not with like a fender exit exhaust. Try to run the exhaust all the way back, keep it as normal as possible, the car. we're gonna play the game. Whatever, dude. Let's do what it do. Gotta get out of this traffic. Next point of view, hopefully I can get you guys a point of view of me driving down some back roads or something. Because just highway driving isn't all that exciting. Leaving work about 20 minutes late, or leaving for work about 20 minutes late, cost me a lot of traffic, so it's definitely been worse traffic. once again, this is just a test run of the GoPro. See how it handles, not handles, but see, get an idea how to do point of view videos. They will get better. I'll be in something faster, hopefully. Definitely get more acceleration videos for y'all of different vehicles. So for those of you that are like, it's boring, just read the description, or I even pinned a comment explaining what I was doing. Yeah, this is boring. I'm about to just go ahead and cut it here. All right, guys. Yeah, like I said, just a quick test run of the GoPro. Just like and subscribe. I'm not going anywhere anytime fast. It's traffic. Until next time, hopefully we'll have some more POV videos for you. All right, peace out.